I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at the smart plug from Amazon. So this is a little smart plug. You can plug it into any outlet, and then you can plug any appliance, almost any appliance, into it. And it gives you the ability to control that appliance using Alexa. So you can do that with your voice, you can use routines, you can plug, again, just about anything into this. It supports up to 1800 watts at 120 volts, so it can accommodate, a small space heater, a coffee maker, an air conditioner. It's probably just got a relay inside of there, so it can accommodate a pretty high amperage. There's a button on the side so that you can operate it manually, and an indicator light to show when it's on or off. But basically, it just allows you to connect an appliance. In this case, I have a lamp, up to your Amazon Alexa. So what you can do with this, I'll see if she can hear me in the other room, but I can say, Alexa, turn the office lights off.
Okay.
There you go, lights are off. Alexa, turn the office lights on.
Okay.
So you can control that with your voice. You can do that remotely. I have my Fitbit Sense, and I've shown with Alexa on there, you can actually control the device using your voice from the watch or any other Alexa-enabled device. And what I like about this is that it's pretty cheap. The base price is about $25 for one of these Amazon branded plugs. And on Prime Day and on special days, you can get them. I got this one for $5.40. So they're dirt cheap. When you get them at the right time, it's a good time to stock up if you do want to use them. The problem is that they lock you into Amazon's ecosystem. So with this plug, you can use it with Alexa, but you cannot use it with SmartThings. You can't use it with Apple home automation products. You can't use it with anything else other than the Amazon Alexa system. So if you don't mind being locked into that ecosystem, or you just want to check out being able to control lights with your voice and that kind of thing, or you want to control one appliance, then this could be a good fit just because it is so cheap. But if you do want to build an overall home automation system and you don't want to be tracked into one particular standard and platform, then this is probably not as good of a bet for you. So that's the Amazon Smart Plug. Again, pick it up if you get it cheap, but otherwise you might want to go with other options like the Casa from TP-Link, which I've shown in other videos. If you found this helpful in any way, please subscribe to my channel. It really helps. And if you want to see more about gadgets and home and life automation, visit DIY-ha.com.